Hey, everyone! Welcome to my mat this beautiful morning. I'm starting off with some gentle warm-up stretches like wide splits and a wide-legged forward bend. I find these poses are just perfect for waking up my body and getting ready for today's session. Now, I'm slowly trying to bring my chest down to the ground. Oh, this is such a deep and satisfying stretch. It really helps to release tension in my hamstrings and spine. I'm holding this challenging but comfortable pose for a bit, focusing on my breath and letting my muscles release a little more. Next, I'm extending one leg straight and bending the other, then folding forward. This pose does an amazing job of stretching my hips and inner thighs, which really helps increase my range of motion. Then, I'm moving into wide splits on my right side, raising my arms up. This is a full body stretch that includes my core and upper body. It really gets the energy flowing. Then, I'm moving into wide splits on my left side, making sure to stretch both sides equally. Stretching both sides is super important for maintaining balance in my body. And yes, I'm making sure to repeat this pose on the other side too. I want to make sure both halves of my body are equally flexible and strong. In this part of the video, I'm moving into some classic yoga poses. Here, I'm in downward dog. This pose strengthens and lengthens my entire body, and I feel like it really improves my circulation too.